Newly elected TMP candidate Jiten Debbarma, representing the 16th Mandai-Pulinpur constituency, embarked on a multi-village Thanksgiving tour today, fulfilling his campaign promise to remain accessible to his constituents. Following the landslide victory of Tipra Motha in the TTAADC elections, he visited several remote villages to express his gratitude. However, the primary focus of his visit was a stern appeal for communal harmony and restraint. The visit witnessed poignant moments as elderly residents and local families gathered to welcome the winning candidate. In one notable instance, a village elder broke down in tears while speaking to the press, expressing deep emotional relief over the election results. He expressed to be grateful to the Maharaja Pradut for his unconditional efforts to secure the future of a next generation.
Khagoi bhaiman ti shanti ni muti mahakabu sini maharaja tini chai ani ati desh ti prati busuk phan kri tini hadar borok koboli thangka tamne bagi bokhalai kina sungbo buji tai taw sungbo tamo bura bisuk ni tongkhlai cherai khone tini busuk anando par ungnan bagi jai thanan bagi bot chairena nu thok tong thoklaina bagi botini hadar borning sikangko moklum tiklai bo kapjak o kamanu ko tini are jung hojik bosot jak bamphron khaimani bisinga hanga aboto jetingkha tabuk sini man thaile obosho nong sinai abokasa asatom o asatina je cherai khone tongle robor pise suki santi thangbai chudin bodisat.
Addressing the media and local residents, Jiten Debbarma emphasized that victory should be celebrated with dignity, not aggression. In the wake of reports of post-poll friction in other parts of the state, he issued a firm directive to his supporters. He urged the people of Mandai-Pulinpur to refrain from any form of violence, to not attack anyone's home or property. We must maintain peace and spread love, Jiten Debbarma stated.
Obek matto possible ke sini bubagrani jarai obo sing o result man thani sing ang as a candidate hisabai ang abono bubagrani full credit ni ang masawo tai oba hikeno tini sing tini Mandai Nagar Pulinpur sing thangnai je campaign khlaipur rogo kobangma borok suno sarakma tongo ano sarakma tongo je paimani yagulo borni kaisan dabi tongna bongke borni logi tongnani tai borokno borni sukhe dukhe tongnani bagi tam bagi o 16 Mandai Nagar Pulinpur joto taku bukuruni kaisan abo haije thangnai koyak bosor romeo ja guardian periman bagi tai amunse sikamo guardian chongjak yagulobo bisikni romeo jagabo je chongjak nai borok o jagabo temonasik borok bai communicate khailia se karone tini o jagan borok belai kha khamjak ge abono borok tini ano saka ge abo haikeno wansugui ang tini borni kokno kaham ke wansugui yagulo borna ang kokri klangma haikeno ang miyani simi tini bahaino phungni simi diponi simi yang sakani simi chengkha ares pararong simi ge joto borok baino malaikha joto borok kaham ke tewisa haina hai keplayang manino borbo khatung khajake ano lamsoka borok malaini ang belai kha tongthoka tai kha khlaio agami dino je elakani borni jeta borano je samana korno je mansak ang teruk borni abono kisa ulsukangnai phiaba khlainai abo haike borokno ang tini to asas rekha tai thamcha tongnani bagui agami dino sini village committee election tongo sini teisa 1.5 বছর পরে sini বিধান সভা ngai aboni bagui taboni simna agam sing samung khlainani bagui rukurok ba korong sai thule tini Arespara Noksirai bisi Rupurai bisi tabugoro combine khaini duski bai Uttor Pulinpur bisi o jagao o jaga tabuk paithak o jagani je leaders rok malaika tai kaisa kok norni bisiti saklaini mujukha jotoni slide sinaro polling station ke 40 ta tongo aron bising joto highest margin lead khainai ngake mo 16 ni 31 para kalok aji center o jottoni slai kobang prai 90% hai 90.43 hai o jagao chini jotto Tripura salukro jotto rangchani daku buhuchong chini bobagar nasigei borok highest margin borok taklaini o je chongmari borok no highest o center ni bisingo 40 ni bisingo ama haita.
He further encouraged his workers to shift their focus toward future organizational goals, specifically the upcoming village committee elections and the 2028 state assembly elections.
Tai pai thago ang kaisa belai khe nangkukmani kok ang khachanani muchungo abo hongkai ang tini o je jaga jaga thangai malai mani pore a jagani borok no kaisa ni kok sabo tai tini o jaga bo kung sanai tai lukur no ba ang kung sanai nok ni bisinti khai media ta khujang bisinti khai je जों o jagao je tini o jaga je highest margin bai singo jagao bal asuk kabang margin bai singo jaga je keplai ingkha obo ekmatro possible ge joto Tripura sarokno bubagra nasigei thanchano hamjagei jotono tini bud rukha abon bagui sing tini kabang margin sing o jaga mankha ingka abon ang koinai jate sini kamini takhuk kamini bukhuk songno sing jate bo hoito bor tabo alka lamo ui tongmano bo bujiang tongmangkho phebo sing abo bai borno जों keplai ingkha sengla bai borno जों thanginai borni nok nukhorogo attack khlainai borni property rok damage khlainai amo haikuno jate mentally sini bisingo ta tongthung ang lukorokno kainai je mansak peacefully mane zero violence khlainai jate जों lukorokno kaisa message hnai जों thancha ekmatro sini manthai soktai manan bagui o jaga जों agini je kubun dofani borok khai जों rajniti khlainai जों gijing singno जों kemni nok sobailaiyo kemni sompoti soklayo sobailai ama hairok jate ingya tuikhai ang o elakani borokno especially Mandai Nagar Pulinpur borokno koinai jate ama hai violence rokni bagui wansukmorok ta tongdi agami dino जों bijay misil khlainai khlaimani nubo जों thuru tongthoklainai mwsalainai chalainai pheba jagao jate जों kemni nok rok thanginai जों violence ingya tuikhai जों abo ang bises khlainai sini buma bodolokno koinai jotono ama hai jate elakao thanginai যেকোনো borok যদি দেরনাই tongkhabono ma kasulainai hichi tamdai amo bai sin thancha kono dino ingya जों hamjakma bagna nangnai hamjakmani bisingtwi जों thanchagnai.
Raja kami wo kakha thamchani boyar shikha Haidi ta kuksong haidi bukuksong raja no lam songnani Haidi ta kuksong haidi bukuksong raja no lam songnani Raja kami wo kakha thamchani boyar shikha Raja kami wo kakha thamchani boyar shikha Haidi ta kuksong haidi bukuksong raja no lam songnani Haidi ta kuksong haidi bukuksong raja no lam songnani Raja kami wo kakha
Reported by Ashish from Khorang, Chini Khorang.